My name is Matt. I'm going to take you through a quick tutorial of your Xerox device. At Corient, you use a special system called Printix where you can send print jobs to be held securely, and then when you're ready, you can walk to your Xerox equipment, sign in, and then release them. First step is to create an ID code. So you'll go to a website, corient.printix.net, sign in with your Windows credentials. This is a screen you'll see. If you go to the top right, we call it the hamburger menu, open that up and then go to Cards and Codes. Click the Create button next to ID code, and then it'll auto-populate. Take a look at that on the left. If you forget it, that's fine. You'll be able to go back to this website to reset it. You'll also notice a PIN code section up top. Go ahead and ignore that. At Corient, you just need your ID code. When you're ready to print, you should see a Printix Anywhere printer. This gets automatically added to your computer once you're on the network. To change your print settings, select Properties. And then you'll notice this menu here. You've got two-sided printing, finishing, color. Note that you can either click the icons next to each setting or just choose the arrow and you can open up those menus and choose your specific features. Note that for paper, you don't have to really select anything. It'll automatically understand the size and go to plain paper. But if you want, you can choose other types like cardstock or labels, and it'll go to that special paper. I'll show you how to do that a little bit later. If you've changed any settings here, just click OK and then click Print. Remember, your print job is going to stay securely held until you're ready to release it. On the printer's home screen, you will press the Print button. That's going to prompt you to log in. There's a little keyboard icon on the top right. Go ahead and press that. And then type in your ID code. Press OK. And then you'll see your job here. Here's my sample. Note that if you have more, they'll show up below it, but you can select all of them, press print, and then out they come. If you want to print on this special paper, we usually recommend using Tray 5, the bypass on the left-hand side. It's really good for cardstock. Basically, what you'll do is you'll load that paper, and on the screen, it'll automatically ask you to confirm the size and the type. Just make sure the size is correct, and then when you press the type menu, you're going to notice there's a whole bunch of different types. This is important to make sure that it treats the paper correctly. So choose your type, cardstock, labels, whatever you got, and then as long as that's the same paper type you selected when you originally sent the job, it'll print. To scan documents to an email, from the home screen, press Email. There are a few ways to add a recipient. First, manual entry will allow you to type in an email address. Notice there's an @ symbol at the bottom of the keyboard there. Press Add. Or it's just easier to press Add Me. Now, if you haven't logged in, it'll prompt you to do so, and then your email address will automatically show up as the recipient. Scroll through the menu if you need to, change any settings, color, two-sided, so on and so forth. Load your originals face up in the document feeder or face down on the glass, and then at the top right of the screen, just press that Send button. To return to the home screen, just press that Home button on the right-hand side, and let's go through Copy. So, press Copy. You can select your number of copies up top, and then as you scroll through, you'll see your menu there for other settings. Go ahead and you can press anywhere to open those up. Choose your options. Once you're all set, just like email, go ahead and press Start at the top right. Short and sweet. I hope that tutorial helps. Thank you for your time.